Fucking sick words, sick fucking thoughts.
Quick to spit and dig your fears. Sickness quick to get erased. Acidic lick the tears. Pass the say they kick the bass. Piercing in between space and fecal waste. Misdemeanor epidemic. What's the fucking question? In between her cordial and the pH skill of blasting. Fake designer brownish and I'm slicker French dressing. Quick to get my solid toss like a ladder shaft. I'm lasting. You can tell I'm never stressing on that jolly green giant. I get so gravity defiant. I'm clocking mileage high. I'm nearly sure that I just died. Flying towards a high five and Jesus, I don't even say bless you when the pollen makes you sneezes. Soul disappear with demons. I'm making mates with the grim reaper, but it's just pleasing for me to meet a meaning the medium. Occur to be, I'm smoking too much seasoning. Yo, I'm losing sleep and reasoning. You keep it G, you breathing. I'm a fine age wine when I'm high and I'm tripping off my tits. So pass me the rizzes, let me take another hit and say bye to your problems and hide to the spliff. Let that shit up and let your problems disappear in the mist. Sick words, sick thoughts, sore losers, rough coughs. More take a load off, but not off your own mind. I'm clearing out my own law. Sick words, sick thoughts, sore losers, rough coughs. More take a load off, but not off your own mind. I'm clearing out my own law. Share space with lots of humans, no room for humanity. You're feeding off an ego trip, so choking your profanity. Stuff on earth you need to learn, but you're an Instagram academy. The apocalypse is nigh, find shelter and hide. And if you can't find no shelter, better find Rick Rags. To survive in this life to the brain death mentality. I'm getting by with rhymes, or is it me with this insanity? Dramatically, am a fucking life for a gig. Chris Marks died by tanking a keg. I'm dancing in the dark to DJ ranking instead. I'm tapped in the head, I either hate this fucking life or I'm in love with the dead. The roses on my cheeks, mate, they've always been red. Sick words, sick thoughts, sore noses, rough coughs. More take a load off, but not off your own mind. I'm clearing out my own law. Sick words, sick thoughts, sore noses, rough coughs. More take a load off, but not off your own mind. I'm clearing out my own law. Sick words, sick thoughts, sore noses, rough coughs. More take a load off, but not off your own mind. I'm clearing out my own law.
My upstairs is fucked.